Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Kia Picanto 1.25 2 Auto. Now this vehicle has currently done 17,459 miles and it's finished in the colour bright silver. Now this is a very lovely low mileage small automatic. It does sit nicely on 14-inch alloy wheels. You do have daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. You also have rear parking sensors to make reversing much easier. Here in the boot you'll find 200 litres of space, which can be increased to 605 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your very stylish two-tone cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you do have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. On both sides of the steering wheel you'll find controls for adjusting the radio, including volume controls, buttons for answering and ending phone calls. You do have FM and AM radio available to you, and there's also USB and auxiliary inputs allowing you to play your own music. The system also has telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls. You also have your air conditioning here below, which is very easy to use. Your USB and auxiliary input there. You've got two cup holders and your automatic gear selector here in the centre console.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.